Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to know where to invest into crypto project as a part of your crypto portfolio? We will show in this episode interesting project that we think is worth attention. You can find all the links in the video description below. Check out pre-sale of this project. Early investors can gain most use of it for the future. Bichon Defender, heart of the community. Bichon Defender embodies the spirit and heart of both people and our beloved, often overlooked and underappreciated dogs. These loyal companions are always there for us, showering us with unconditional love. We believe that behind every great person is the heart of a dog. It's time to build trust, motivate, and inspire our community. Bichon Defender, our heart is your heart. Let's rally together and make a difference. Inspired by the cute yet protective Bichon Frise dog. Project's mission for Bichon Defender to become not just our legacy, but yours too. Beacon of hope, creating a thriving community where members stake their claim in future wealth. Supportive environment, when doubt and defeat start to creep in, Bichon Defender will be here, strong and supportive. Attainable wealth, we want every member to know that wealth and community are both attainable and sustainable. Let's embark on this prosperous journey with Bichon Defender. Key features and offerings. Elevating accountability in the crypto pre-sale process. Bichon Defender aggressive deflationary mechanism process will last 12 months and stop. We estimate token price, low end 1.36. Price will increase shortly after launch our community to our moon. You are in control 24 hours before the first exchange launch. You will be given 3 unique claim options. Most favorite option, you benefit and all your stake tokens untouched continue earning a PY. We can't stress this enough. We care entire project goal restore faith, trust, and commitment. Detailed instructions when we get closer to launch. Problem: Solana airdrop security has been a significant issue. Millions of dollars of user funds have been drained from scam airdrops, leaving end users frustrated and losing faith. Our solution: never forget, Bichon Defender is listening to your concerns. Image: if you had a wallet that could freeze all tokens and NFT. Stop allowances bandits from coming back and draining your wallet. I like this one. What if? Wallet could even stop anyone who had your seed words from importing your funds without your consent. First of its kind security feature, FREEZE, all Solana only cryptocurrency in your wallet. Push notification authentication to prevent scam messages. Broadcasted message are secure, not a scam. Monitor tools that constantly monitors blockchain for any suspicious unauthorized transfers attempts. Utilizing token 2022 comprehensive security measures to protect your assets. Activate multi-signature protocols. Pre-sale process. To enhance security, we will not allow any wallets to connect and purchase directly from our site. Instead, you will send Solana or USDT to a designated wallet address. This model is adopted to prevent scammers from pushing messages to your wallet to grant unlimited allowance only to drain of all cryptocurrency. Restoring trust and innovation. Support for Day One Warriors. Our early supporters exemplify our mission to restore trust. Community concerns addressed. Conducted a confidential multi-chain survey with over 400,000 responses to resolve major concerns. Enhanced security measures. Introducing a multi-chain crypto wallet with secondary compartments to flag potential scam airdrop. Empowering meme coins. Bichon Defender token will include token burns after every transaction and a play to earn game rewarding members with Bichon Defender tokens. Check out the links in the video description down below and see you on the next episode.